Step into the world of winning wealthy, where a winning attitude propels you to new heights of wealth and fulfillment. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of millionaire wealth, 5 proven tips to increase your income, and I couldn't be more excited to inspire and motivate you. But before we start, let's fuel your motivation. Give that like button a tap filled with determination, subscribe like a true believer in your potential, and turn on notifications to stay motivated on this empowering journey. Let's ignite your winning spirit and unlock the secrets to your ultimate success. Looking to become wealthy like the millionaires? Look no further, as we have some proven tips and strategies to help you increase your income and generate massive amounts of wealth. In this video, we reveal the secrets that millionaires use to create and maintain their wealth. We'll cover everything from building multiple streams of passive income to investing in assets that appreciate over time. Our expert advice and wealth-generating tips will help you set yourself up for a secure financial future and enable you to live the life you've always dreamed of. With the right mindset and knowledge, anyone can become wealthy. So, if you're ready to take your financial game to the next level, make sure to watch this video and start implementing these millionaire wealth-building tips today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on how to achieve financial success. Tip number 1. Having a clear goal. The first tip to increase your income and achieve millionaire wealth is to start with a clear goal. Successful millionaires always have a clear vision of what they want to accomplish, and they work tirelessly towards that goal. It's crucial to be specific about your financial aspirations and set a tangible timeline for achieving them. By clearly defining your objectives, you can create a roadmap that will guide your actions and keep you focused on the path to success. Having a clear goal provides you with a sense of direction and purpose. It helps you prioritize your efforts and make strategic decisions that align with your long-term vision. When you know exactly what you want to achieve, you can break down your goal into smaller, actionable steps, making it easier to track your progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. By starting with a clear goal, you set yourself up for success and empower yourself to take the necessary actions to increase your income and ultimately attain millionaire wealth. Tip number 2. Investing in yourself. The second tip to increase your income and achieve millionaire wealth is to invest in yourself. Millionaires recognize the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. They understand that by investing in their knowledge and skills, they can stay ahead of the game and seize opportunities that lead to financial success. One way to invest in yourself is by attending seminars and workshops that are relevant to your field or industry. These events provide valuable insights, networking opportunities, and the chance to learn from industry experts. Additionally, taking courses and obtaining certifications can enhance your expertise and make you more marketable, potentially leading to higher income opportunities. Furthermore, reading books related to your field is an excellent way to expand your knowledge and gain new perspectives. Books offer a wealth of information and can provide you with valuable insights and strategies that can be applied to your own financial journey. By investing in yourself, you demonstrate a commitment to personal growth and development. This not only enhances your skills and knowledge but also boosts your confidence and credibility. As a result, you become better equipped to seize opportunities, make informed decisions, and increase your income on the path to achieving millionaire wealth. Attention, wealthy seekers! Prepare to be amazed by a proven way to break free from the monotonous 9-to-5 rat race and unlock the incredible potential of making money online. Are you curious about the life-changing secrets and strategies that can transform your world? Look no further than Winning Wealthy, the ultimate destination for extraordinary possibilities. Dare to step into a realm beyond the ordinary and explore the thrilling adventure that awaits you. Discover the mind-blowing techniques and insider knowledge that will revolutionize your financial future. It's time to shatter limitations and embrace the exhilarating path to success. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to rewrite your life story. Click the link in the description and embark on the journey of a lifetime with Winning Wealthy. Uncover the hidden treasures that will set you on the path to extraordinary wealth and fulfillment. Get ready to thrive in a world of endless possibilities. Tip number 3. Surround yourself with successful people. The third tip to increase your income and achieve millionaire wealth is to surround yourself with successful people. One of the key factors behind the success of millionaires is the company they keep. By seeking out mentors, networking with accomplished individuals, and joining mastermind groups, you can tap into the wisdom and expertise of those who have already achieved financial success. Having successful people in your circle allows you to learn from their experiences, gain valuable insights, and receive guidance on your journey towards wealth. Mentors can provide invaluable advice and support, helping you avoid common pitfalls and navigate challenges more effectively. Networking with successful individuals opens doors to new opportunities and collaborations, while mastermind groups provide a supportive community of like-minded individuals who can inspire and motivate you. Surrounding yourself with successful people not only exposes you to new ideas and strategies, but it also helps you develop a success-oriented mindset. Being in the presence of accomplished individuals can fuel your ambition, push you to strive for greater heights, and expand your belief in what is possible. By building a network of successful connections, you create a positive and empowering environment that propels you towards greater financial success. Tip number 4. Diversify your income streams. The fourth tip to increase your income and achieve millionaire wealth is to diversify your income streams. Millionaires understand the importance of not relying solely on one source of income. Instead, they actively seek out opportunities to invest in different assets and ventures to create a diversified portfolio. Diversifying your income streams helps protect you from financial volatility and downturns in any specific industry or market. By spreading your investments across various sectors, such as real estate, stocks, businesses, or other income-generating assets, you minimize the risk of losing all your income if one particular area experiences a setback. Moreover, diversification allows you to take advantage of different opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation. Each income stream has its own potential for generating returns, and by diversifying, you increase your chances of finding lucrative ventures that can significantly boost your overall income. Tip number 5. Work hard and be persistent. Finally, the fifth tip to increase your income and achieve millionaire wealth is to work hard and be persistent. Millionaires know that success is not a quick or effortless accomplishment. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a strong work ethic. They understand that there are no shortcuts to achieving financial abundance and are willing to put in the necessary effort to make their dreams a reality. Working hard means being committed to your goals and consistently putting in the hours and effort required to succeed. It involves going the extra mile, staying focused, and continuously improving your skills and knowledge. Being persistent is another crucial aspect of the millionaire mindset. It means staying resilient in the face of obstacles and setbacks. Millionaires understand that setbacks are merely opportunities for learning and growth. They don't let failures discourage them or deter them from their ultimate vision. Instead, they use setbacks as stepping stones to refine their strategies, adjust their approach, and come back stronger. In conclusion, achieving millionaire wealth requires a strategic approach and a specific set of actions. Starting with a clear goal is the foundation of success, as millionaires always have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and work diligently towards it. Investing in yourself through continuous learning and self-improvement is another vital step, as it enables you to stay ahead of the curve and maximize your potential. Surrounding yourself with successful people provides invaluable guidance and support on your journey to wealth. Diversifying income streams is essential, as millionaires understand the importance of not relying on a single source of income. By exploring various investment opportunities and creating a diversified portfolio, you can generate wealth from multiple avenues. Finally, working hard and being persistent are fundamental traits of millionaires. Success is a result of unwavering dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to overcome obstacles. Thanks for watching.